said time has passed me over, like the gray in my hair. I got stuck in my own world, but you were always there. Each night when you're not with me, I'm so alone and so afraid. Dream with me into the morning, we'll find the valley of the moon. Just when I thought that it was over, it came to me right out of the blue. Sweet words of wisdom from you will find the valley of the moon. So I'm sitting here staring out my window, like a calm before the storm. Raise my hand up to the sunset, wait for the valley of the moon. Got stuck